Hi, I'm Rie. Today I have one of my best friend, Cuppy.
It's me, the good advice Cupcake.
Cuppy, do you want to introduce yourself a little bit?
Sure. Well, my name is Cuppy, and as you can see, I'm a talking friggin' cupcake. I'm also a world famous advice giver over on Instagram.
So me and Cuppy have been a friend quite a bit over time, but isn't it difficult to make a friend when you become an adult?
Oh, it's so hard. Being an adult can be very lonely. I mean, I love hanging out with my cat, but it'd be nice to have another pastry to connect with on a more serious level.
So I have an idea. I'm the dessert snob and you are dessert. So I'm going to make you a friend today.
Yay!
Yay! So Cuppy, today I'm making you one of my favorite Japanese dessert, but I'm not gonna tell you.
Ooh, how mysterious.
So first, I want to scoop ice cream. Do you have any favorite ice cream flavor, Cuppy?
Well, I see that strawberry, so that's definitely one of my favorites because it's pink just like me.
I knew it. That's why I chose strawberry.
Oh, I love so many different flavors, though. I don't even think there's a flavor that I don't like. Except pistachio. I don't want to talk about why.
So for this dessert, you can use any kind of ice cream flavor. I chose strawberry because I thought you like pink, but you can make matcha, you can make chocolate, anything you want. I'm going to put it in the freezer until I use it next. First, I'm going to use shiratamako, which is glutinous flour, 200 grams, put it in a pot. 100 grams of Japanese sugar. Japanese sugar is a little bit finer than a regular sugar. I like it because it melts faster. A cup of water, turn the heat medium, give a nice stir, cook it until it's become very sticky. So Cuppy, we met in Japan, right?
Yes, we did.
Yeah, you are exchange student. Do you keep in touch with other Japanese friends you met in Japan?
I do! I still keep in touch with Dango. We send each other funny baking memes almost every day.
Cuppy, do you cook a lot at home?
I do a little, but I have to admit I am really guilty of ordering a lot of takeout.
That's totally fine. When you become adult, there's a lot of things you have to take care of. You don't always have time to cook, right?
Yeah, it can be really hard.
Look at this dough.
Oh my gosh, it's so sticky.
I'm going to transfer to this last surface and I'm going to set this aside. So next step, I'm going to use cornstarch and sprinkle on the surface, put this mochi. So Cuppy, what do you think make a good friend? What kind of friend do you want to have?
I'd really love a friend who's super sweet.
Super sweet and round and squishy.
Super sweet like you.
Oh, thank you.
I think I want to have a friend who has a same sense of humor, you know?
For sure, someone who totally gets you.
Yeah, exactly. Have you had a difficult time to make a friend who doesn't speak same language as you?
Well, lucky for me, I happen to be absolutely fluent in the language of friendship.
That's a really nice way of saying. I was an exchange student and I had a difficult time to learn English. I'm still having a struggle, but I feel like having a patient friend is also important. They can, try and understand you. And I feel like that makes great friendship too.
Oh, absolutely. A real friend will really take the time to get to know you, even if there are difficulties within your language barriers.
Okay, so now I'm cutting mochi. Mochi is very sticky, so make sure to put a lot of cornstarch underneath it so it doesn't stick. And if it does stick, use like spatula or like I'm using even spoon. Just take it out.
So Rie, how do you go about making friends as an adult?
I feel like nowadays I make friends at workplace.
Yeah, same. Like you can find so many great people at work.
Look at us. We ended up working in the same company.
I know! I'm so glad BuzzFeed is an equal opportunity employer for pastries.
When I moved to New York, I didn't have a lot of friends, but like I have a little group of friends and they invite me party. And if you make good food, they remember you. So I start bringing my homemade food to a party. So Cooking is a way of communication for me and to make friends.
That's so great. And I, for one, know that eating delicious food is another great way of making friends.
That's true. The food brings us together.
It does.
All right. Okay, so next is the fun part. You're gonna just wrap mochi, ice cream, kind of twist the end and flip it. Mochi is very sticky, so if you kind of pinch it, it will close by itself.
It's like a little dumpling.
Yes, exactly. Kapi, do you have any good advice for keeping a friendship for a long time?
My best advice, I think, is just to always communicate with your friend and come to understandings with them. Realize that sometimes they'll need their own space, and other times they'll need you to be there for them.
You have a good advice as you advertise.
Thank you.
This is almost ready, but it's still a little bit soft, so I'm going to put it in the freezer about 15 minutes. Here you go, Kapi. Here's your new friend, Mochi.
Thank you so much! She's beautiful!
Yay! She's smooth on the outside, she's very sweet inside, and she's a little bit sticky, so you guys gonna be a friend forever.
We'll stick together forever.
Do you wanna taste it?
Really? No.
Just kidding.
Hi there, friend. It's so nice to finally meet you. I'm alive. Don't worry. I'll explain everything to you.
Bye, Kapi and Mochi. I hope to see you soon.
Bye. Thank you so much. Johnny.
Thank you so much for watching. Tell me what kind of friend I should make Kapi next time.